Grok 3 versus O3. My final verdict for the best AI. In this video, I'm going to share with you my final verdict for the best AI this 2025. I'm going to recommend you the best AI and we're going to find out the best features and the weakness of each of these. So to get started, Grok 3 is optimized for speed and social use. It works well within Twitter or X and gives casual, punchy replies, but it doesn't support advanced workflows or files. It is more likely to be used in social media settings to think of a witty answer or a reply to a certain tweet. O3 is incredibly advanced. It combines speed with depth, support memory, and works across documents, images, and web tools. It's OpenAI's best model yet, especially for pro users. If comparable to any other AI, I would say it is more comparable to ChatGPT simply because of its I would say intelligence level. If you're using AI casually, Grok 3 is fun and fast, but for professional work, long tasks, or multi step reasoning, O3 is another league. After weeks of testing, I found O3 better for productivity, brainstorming, and structured content. Grok is more of a social tool, while O3 is a serious assistant. If you're only choosing one, O3 is a better investment.